Okay, people, now it is time to start thinking like an inventor. So, what inventors do is they research problems. They try to figure out from people, hey, what problems do you have? And as a smart inventor, I'm going to think of a solution for you and then sell it to you. But if I make an invention and you don't really need it, I'm not going to sell it. So, what we're going to do is look at number one, and we are asked to number one says, what are some problems that you find at home? So we need to think about the home. We could think about the kitchen. We could think about the living room, our bedrooms. What are some problems that we find in the bathroom? Maybe in the garage, there's some problems. You could even think outside in your yard or your driveway or with the car. There's all sorts of problems that we have at home. And you can even go larger than that if you want to go to school or around your neighborhood. You can think that way. But for this example, I'm going to be talking about the ones at home. So I'm going to give you an example. And my example starts with I already had thought that up. The dishes start to pile up in the sink. That happens in my house. Now, we're lucky enough to have a dishwasher that we load. But guess what? People don't always want to load them. So that's a problem at my house. Now you list the other two, three, four, and five, and you can use mine. Okay, next when you move on to the next question, of the problems you listed, now don't choose mine, okay? Of the problems you listed, which one do you think could be solved with a new invention? And I want it to be an original idea that you come up with, and I want you to write the problem down here. So you would simply write, can't choose mine, but I'm gonna write the dishes start to pile up in the sink. I'm going to go a little bit farther. And no one loads the dishwasher. Now, it's not really that bad, but I had to think of something, and some days it's that bad. Okay, moving down. What kind of invention might solve this problem? Describe it here in a paragraph. Now, this has to be kind of long. It's a paragraph. So I'm going to write this out for you. So, um, I envision, that means I could see. Oops, I envision a robotic arm. And then I'm just going to finish it up in video so you don't have to watch me type, but you're going to have to type yours out. So I envision this robotic arm that attaches to the countertop, and it knows where the dishwasher is. So dishwashers are very normally close to the sink. And so the robotic arm could reach over and get the dishes. And before it grabs the dish, it could open up the dishwasher door, and it could automatically load our dishwashers. I'm sorry, it could automatically load our dishes. Now, all this stuff you'd be writing down, okay? Now, attached inside the robotic arm is powdered dish soap, okay, or it could be liquid dish soap. So it squirts it into the compartment that goes into the dishwasher. It closes the door, and it also knows it has a timer attached to it. So maybe it runs the dishwasher at night while I'm asleep. And what else could it do? Well, I had an idea, but I guess I'll stop there. So that'll work, right? That's solving the problem because all the dishes were piled up in the sink, and this robotic arm is taking care of it. I think the dishwasher or the robotic arm would also have to know, like, have like a camera so it could view how full the dishwasher is getting. So, see how this is a pretty involved idea, and you're gonna have to write that all down. Okay, good luck, and let's get inventing.